Ready to dive into the world of niche cryptocurrencies and snag some Eme coins? First things first, you'll need a Phantom wallet set up and funded with Solana, or Sol, which you will use to swap for ETH. If you don't already have Sol in your Phantom wallet, tap the deposit button, and then follow the on-screen prompts to transfer Sol from another wallet or exchange. Now, let's head over to a decentralized exchange, or DEX, where Eme Coin is listed. Radium and Orca are popular options on the Solana network. Go to their official website. Check the URL and connect your Phantom wallet by clicking the Connect button in the top right corner of the web page. In the swap interface, select SOL as the input token and EM as the output token. If EM doesn't automatically appear, you might need to manually input the EME token address. Always double-check the token address to ensure you are trading the correct coin. Next, enter the amount of Sol you want to swap for EME and carefully review the transaction details. Phantom wallet will pop up and will show you the estimated EME you'll receive, network fees, and the total amount of Sol you'll spend. Click Approve to authorize the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, your new Eme coins will be visible in your Phantom wallet. It might take a few minutes to view them, and that's it. You finally own your Eme coins.